Hi, I bought this coffee grinder a few months ago and until recently it was working extremely well. But a week ago, completely suddenly and without any reason, the grinder started to produce only half of the expected amount of ground coffee, espresso usually. In particular, on a certain cutting option set to cost 21 seconds on a certain coffee that I have been using for a long time, it was producing 16 grams of ground coffee and now it is only producing 8 half grams. You will see it in the video I'm sending you. It does the same problem with other varieties of coffee I tried. I tried other settings and longer times, but the problem persists. So, I cleaned the grinder one more time so you can see this inside. I believe the gears are fine. So, I open it. And now you can see the upper gear. So, you can see I can slow to see clearly. I'm thinking it's fine. And from top, I don't see any problem in the gear. Everything looks like fine. And the side gear, it's like new. I'm trying to focus to see better. Now, as you can see, the critter is in like a new condition. Never drops, never hit. From the day I received it, it has been in this position you see, next to coffee machine. Now, I put them back and do another hard reset. Usually, I use this setting. Now, I do the reset. Again. Now, set the time. I put some coffee. we weight the container to see how amount of grinder coffee it put out. Reset there. Okay, go. It must be out 16 grams normal. No, wait. See. Now, I reset. And again in full time. I never use it the full time. Wait again. In this time, I must have 18 until 19 grams. Now only 12. So, I will set the options for the grind and other settings. But the problem persists. I wait for your absence. Thank you very much.